Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 5 from the chapter straight lines from the exercise 10.1. Go to playlists and look for straight lines. You will be able to find all the sums and derivations related to this chapter. Now let us check the question number 5. The question goes like this. Find the slope of the line. We have to find the slope of a particular line which passes through the origin. The line passes through origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points. They have given us 2 points P and B. The given line of which we have to find the slope passes through the midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points. That is what is the question. So ultimately we are finding the slope of the line. Let us consider the rectangular coordinate system, and this is the origin. Point B is 8, 0. Y coordinate is 0. That means point lies on x-axis. So the point is here. Then point B. You can see that x coordinate of point B is 0. That means the point lies on y-axis. So this is the line segment. After joining P and B, we get this line segment. And the midpoint of this is here. The line passes through origin and also it passes through the midpoint of the line segment PB. So the line is this side. When we say that the line passes through origin, it can be here or here. They have clearly specified it passes through origin and passes through the midpoint of this line segment PB. So our line is like this. And we have called this line as L. Now we have to find the slope of the line. To find the slope of the line, we should either know the angle of inclination or we should know any 2 points on the line. In this case, we are not given the angle of inclination. Angle of inclination is the angle which the line makes with a positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. That means if the line is here, it is this particular angle the line makes with positive direction of x-axis, which is not given. So we cannot find the slope using that criteria. Now we need to find the slope of the line using 2 points on the line. We know it passes through origin, so we already know 1 point. We need to find another point through which the line passes so that we get 2 points and we can find the slope of the line. As per the data, we know that it passes through the midpoint of line segment PB. So if we find the midpoint of this line segment PB, we will get to know the second point on this line. So we can easily find the slope. So let's find the midpoint of the line segment PB. So what is the formula? If the 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That is sum of the x coordinates divided by 2, comma sum of y coordinates divided by 2. That gives us the midpoint of the line segment BP or PB. Okay, let us find it now. The coordinates of the midpoint will be 0 plus 8 divided by 2 and minus 4 plus 0 divided by 2. So the midpoint is 4 comma minus 2. Now we know 2 points on the line. We can easily find the slope of the line when it passes through 2 points, or when we know any 2 points on the line. That would be slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The slope of the line passing through these 2 points 0 comma 0 and 4 comma minus 2 will be m is equal to y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0, which will be minus half. So minus half is the slope of the given line.